Hi, I'm Rich Torrey, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? As promised, today we're going to draw Korra, the title character of Avatar, The Legend of Korra, the incredibly successful spin-off of Avatar and the Last Airbender. Lots of things to work on in this drawing. A great action pose, five-fingered hands, flowing hair. It should be fun and challenging. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Korra. We're going to draw Korra step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw her again and again. And not just in this pose, but others. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Korra is just under 5 heads tall. In other words, however tall her head is, her entire body is a little less than 5 of those, not counting the ponytail that sticks out at the top of her head. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Korra. So there's our roadmap for Korra. Now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Korra's eyes, mouth, nose, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Korra's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Korra. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Korra. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Korra. Alrighty, there she is, the Avatar, Korra. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Korra before, then you cannot expect to have drawn her perfectly. As I said in the beginning, she's a very challenging character to draw. You notice I don't spend time coloring her during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Korra. And with that, you can draw her again and again, and by all means color her when you're done. I promise each time you draw her, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Korra. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.